Several times in class, students say, hey, my AutoCAD's not behaving like yours. It's doing this or it's not doing that. These two videos coming up, each 5 minutes or less, will show you how to reconfigure your AutoCAD so that it looks more like your instructors. Between classes, students can stir things up and customize and really mess things up for our class. So remember these two videos to reset things so your AutoCAD looks more like your instructor's AutoCAD and behaves the same way. First step, if icons disappear or strange things happen, is to invoke the options command. Either type the word options or right click in blank space with nothing selected. Hit escape if something's already selected or there's a command in progress. So with nothing selected and no command in progress, right click in the graphics area, pick options. Again, you can type the word options and hit enter. To the far right here is almost to the furthest right is the profiles tab. Make sure that tab is active. Click reset. Ignore which profile selected. Click reset. Yes, I want to continue, and OK to get out. This shakes the bubbles out of your AutoCAD and sets many of the variables back to the way AutoCAD shipped. Now notice it reduced my command area. I suggest come down here gently with your cursor, left click with your mouse and enlarge your control or your command line area to 3 lines of black text plus the white area that you do your typing in. Okay, next step is to ensure that your status bar is showing as many buttons as possible. You don't want a button turned off but not be visible. So get everything possible to display on your status bar. To do this, click on the customization button at the far right. Looks like 3 horizontal lines. Left click as always. Ensure that a check mark is at every single option. Might have to go back into it a few times to turn them on until each and every one has got a check mark. Click in blank space when you see they all have check marks. Next step is to have all the status bar buttons turned off. Notice the blue ones, those are turned on. You want them all turned off. All of them turned off except for the ones we've learned in class. And the first 2 we learned is this polar tracking one and object snap tracking. So only have those 2 turned on, displayed in blue. That's about all for this video. I'll show you how to set these 2 status bar buttons to behave like your instructor's AutoCAD in the next video.